Welcome back to the car updates. The 2026 Range Rover represents the very peak of luxury, sophistication, and modern performance. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of presence, craftsmanship, and intelligent design. With every new generation, Range Rover finds ways to redefine what premium SUVs should be. And the 2026 model continues this tradition with more refinement, technology, and capability than ever before. At first glance, it commands attention with its iconic minimalist silhouette, smooth, sculpted surfaces that flow seamlessly from front to back, exuding quiet confidence. The new digital LED headlights with adaptive beam technology not only look futuristic, but intelligently adjust light patterns for superior visibility. The flush door handles, redesigned front grille, and sleek taillight bar across the rear give it an elegant, almost concept car-like presence on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 Range Rover offers a diverse powertrain lineup catering to every kind of driver. The range includes the powerful 3.0-liter inline-six Ingenium engine with mild hybrid technology, a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 that delivers breathtaking performance, and an advanced plug-in hybrid variant capable of over 100 kilometers of pure electric range. For those looking into the future, the fully electric Range Rover EV version also makes its debut, offering silent yet commanding performance with zero emissions. Regardless of the powertrain, refinement is key. Vibration and noise are almost non-existent, and every drive feels like a gliding experience. The transmission shifts are buttery smooth, and power delivery is immediate yet graceful, perfectly suited for both city cruising and open road touring. Step inside, and the cabin welcomes you into an environment that defines modern luxury. The 2026 model has taken minimalism to a new level, where every surface feels intentional, clean, and beautifully executed. The materials are world-class, from the semi-aniline leather to sustainable textiles and fine wood veneers that create an atmosphere of quiet indulgence. The new 13.1-inch curved floating Pivi Pro touchscreen serves as the central control hub, seamlessly integrated with haptic feedback and crystal-clear graphics. The digital driver display and head-up projection ensure all critical information is right where you need it. Rear passengers aren't left behind either. The executive seating package offers massaging, ventilated, and reclining seats, complete with dual entertainment screens and separate climate zones. The Meridian signature sound system with over 1,400 watts and 34 speakers transforms the cabin into an acoustic masterpiece. Performance-wise, the 2026 Range Rover blends raw power with unmatched comfort. Its adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts ride height and firmness based on terrain and driving conditions. On highways, it lowers for aerodynamic efficiency and stability, while off-road, it raises the body for maximum clearance. The Advanced Terrain Response 2 system allows the driver to effortlessly switch between drive modes suited for sand, mud, snow, or rocks. Despite its luxurious nature, the Range Rover remains one of the most capable off-road SUVs on the planet, with a weighting depth of up to 900 millimeters and unmatched traction management systems. The steering feels precise and reassuring, and thanks to all-wheel steering, this full-size SUV handles tight turns like a much smaller vehicle. Technology is at the forefront of the new Range Rover experience. The cabin features advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, and 3D surround cameras with clear sight ground view. The inclusion of over-the-air updates ensures the SUV's systems stay current without visiting the dealership. There's also integrated Amazon Alexa voice control and wireless smartphone connectivity, making interaction natural and convenient. Passengers can enjoy seamless connectivity with multiple charging points, Wi-Fi hotspot capability, and even wireless charging pads in both front and rear rows. From a comfort perspective, it's hard to rival what Range Rover delivers. The ride quality feels like floating on air, isolating passengers from imperfections in the road. The cabin is acoustically optimized with active noise cancellation through the audio system that filters out road and tire sounds. Climate control has been enhanced with cabin air purification systems, reducing allergens and pollutants while maintaining perfect temperature balance across all zones. Even the smallest details like the soft closed doors, ambient lighting with 30 selectable colors, and the customizable interior themes create a sense of serenity. When it comes to practicality, the Range Rover doesn't disappoint. The 2026 model offers flexible seating for up to 7 passengers with the long wheelbase configuration. The second-row seats can be folded electrically, expanding the already generous boot space for luggage or adventure gear. The split tailgate remains a Range Rover trademark, ideal for outdoor leisure or simply elegant practicality. For those who enjoy long-distance travel, the SUV's range and comfort make it one of the most capable grand tourists ever built.